Okay folks, today we're going to put lowering springs on my 2014 Dodge Ram. Drop it down about 2 inches. Hopefully it'll be level when I get done. We've got the frame jacked up, sitting on some nice jacks, locking jack stands. Got the wheel off. I got a set of McPherson's strut compressors. I'll use these to tighten up the spring. It's pretty loose already because we got all the weight off. Maybe if you took the shock off, the axle would fall enough. I'm not sure, but we're going to start with that. All right, hang on. Okay, folks, I got one spring strut compressor on there, and this is the way we do it. Put on there, put on there, slide the little safety pin in. Tighten it up. There we go, we're coming off already. Your hand inside the spring. Almost. Said that twice already, didn't I? Look at there. Come off. There we are. Wish I could see what's under there. And it's out, folks. We'll see when we get the new one started. All right, folks, we got the compressors on the new spring. The new spring has a lot of space between the bottom coils. Hopefully a softer ride, and it's where it gains its drop. Okay, just run them down till it fits in there again. We'll measure it, we'll put it back in. Don't forget to put the cover back on the top. That note was for me. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we got it small enough. Got that boot on the top. Let's see if we can slip her in there. All right, let's see. It's not in the right spot. I've got to have some light. I just got to have some light. That's the right spot. Guess what? That boot made enough difference. I'm gonna get up. Oh crap! All right.
Yeah. I'll stop it.
Yeah. All right, second time's the charm. Had to tighten it up a little bit, make it a little bit more compressed. Looky there. Make sure it's in the top. It's about an inch away from the top. All right, now we gotta loosen it up and bring it back in there. Cut that guy off. We're gonna be here weeks. Ratchet doesn't fit. We're gonna do it by hand. It's up in on top. Try to catch it now.
On this side.
And it's doing it by a wrench. It's taking forever. Get like an eighth of a turn each time. Got one loose. Almost got the ratchet on the other one. Back to wrench. And it takes a while. All right. I think it took 10 minutes, but we finally got the bars off. The wrenches on the bars off. Got it sitting in there. Now we got to do the other side and put the wheels back on in a while. All right, we got it underground. It's gone down 1.5 inches just from dropping it. It's supposed to be 2 inches, but you can tell the difference. It's a lot closer to the back, to the front, and you can actually put your hand on top of the truck bed now. All right, see you next time.